Okay, so I'm just doing a regular white background. This paint samples that are old, that have been in my garage, are too thick and they're not working out. So I'm just gonna do regular bloom. That was Quinacridone Magenta by Basics. And that was Golden Fluids Pyro Orange. Cadmium Yellow by Basics in light. Love that turquoise. And I'm putting red in the middle. Ooh, I like it. All right, let's do this one. Already did pink. The Artist Loft Metallic Cobalt Turquoise has always been one of my favorite colors. And as far as I know, I don't know anybody else that makes that color. I've never seen it in the other brands. Only Artist Loft. Keeping these blooms the same with the red in the middle. What else we got over here? Got some gold. Should we do some gold? Like a flower. The same thing over here. Oh boy. Trying to be neat. It'll be okay. We haven't even done the blowout. All right, I'm gonna get you guys on the other camera level. All right, here we go. Pretty. It's up in my cell. It's here. I'm gonna use my smoothie straw. That's weird. All right. my cell activator. It worked on the other ones, but for some reason it really pulled. Maybe give it another try. Pretty. Okay, stopping there. Okay, let's see what we can do. I've got something bigger and I've got this, and I am just gonna play. These cells are so awesome. I'm gonna go ahead and give this a baby spin because I have to spin off some of the paint. Which means it's gonna grow, and I'm gonna wait and see. Okay, let's give it a spin. Yeah, it grew a lot. Okay. That's okay. I won't have to spin it anymore. That's looking really pretty, guys. Wow. I don't know how much don't want to mess with this. Three's a charm. I mean, hope I don't cook counting my chickens too early, but the first two I did today stunk it up, boy. Oh my God, I'm getting excited, y'all. This is so pretty. I'm scared to touch it. Oh gosh. All right, I want to look at it like this. Cause like, I know, especially for you guys, can't really see where the tile ends. All right, that actually helps me visualize a little bit better. Okay, that's it. I don't even want to spin this. I feel like I have to, but I don't really. Do I have to? Maybe just a little, like, quarter turn. Does that count as a spin? Okay, that's it. I'm not touching it. I love it. Very happy with this. And okay, so finally a win for the day. Let's give you guys a close-up through the right side. Love the cells right there. Ooh, yes. Finally got a win. Beautiful, bright yellow. And I feel like this part, let me get it, right here, looks like a wing, like an elaborate butterfly wing. Hold on a second, let me get the camera right. Yeah, do you see it on this angle? That's the way I would hang it. And there's a little bling in there, some sun coming through. Not sure if you guys can see it, but you know what bling looks like by now. Okay, so that's the win. I'm not gonna call this other one a complete fail because I am keeping it, but the color combo is just a little weird. But I like the design. I got this weird wispy thing here area, but I do like the turquoise on the coral. That's pretty. And I think the only thing that's really bad about it is the orange and the coral are like not playing well together. But you know what? Why scrape it? Like, someone may love this, and I'm just gonna go ahead and keep it anyway. I think it's pretty cute. It's just gonna unnerve me. Like, I wonder if anybody would think that without me of saying anything. I don't know. You never know until we get it out in public. So those are the two. Okay, hi everyone. So here it is, all finished in resin and in its frame. It turned out so pretty. I decided a frame was better than turning it into a trivet. And I want to go ahead and give you guys a close-up. The black resin is like a mirror. You can see everything. But just give you an up close of the painting and all the fun, beautiful colors. I especially like this corner here. Back it up a little bit. And I really like the way, oh, actually I think I might have it upside down. Let me turn it on. Oh, no, I'm wrong, this way. This looks like a butterfly wing right here. So, and then this corner right here is my favorite. I actually wish that this pink color was swapped into the middle. But maybe I'll do another one and remember that next time. But yeah, this one just turned out really, really good. I'm not willing to let it go for sale yet. I'm gonna have to live with it for a little while. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up, share with a friend, subscribe if you haven't already, and I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye now. So I thought I would show you guys this finish on the tile that I didn't scrape. And I framed her up in white. And it's really grown on me. I'll give you a close-up of it. Let's see. And it's not, you know, I'm glad I kept it. For sure I'm glad I kept it. And I just love these new framing technique that I've figured out for these 6-inch tiles. This is a 12-inch frame, wood. It's actually not a frame. It's a wood panel. Let me flip it over. So you would buy this wood panel to paint on this side. So all I did was paint it white, resin it, and then install the hanger on this side. And I think it looks amazing. So yay. Let me know what you guys think about this one that at first I was unsure of, and sometimes you gotta let things dry and let it grow on you. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this.